Hey everybody, this is just a quick video if you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting an ET error. So what is it and how to get rid of it. So the ET error is a control board malfunction. So there's some kind of anomaly on the control board that's not working right. So what you need to do to fix this is there's a good chance that your control board might be burned up and need replacing. But before you take that step, what I would do is just turn it off, cut power to it completely. So either unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired, turn it off at the circuit breaker, and then leave it unplugged and off for 10 minutes so that the so that the control board just completely resets itself. After those 10 minutes, you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and hopefully this ET error will not come back. If the ET error does come back, you're probably going to just need to replace the control board, and you might need to call out for service in order to do that. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.